So you guys want to know how you guys can reverse a video in TikTok? Well, you guys are at the right YouTube video, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can reverse a video on TikTok. It's pretty simple. So watch this video until the end, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can reverse a video on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's start. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So be sure to do that, and let's start the video. So first thing first, you need to upload a video. For that, you can click on this plus button over here. Once you click on this plus button, it's going to take you to TikTok camera. Now you can either record a video using TikTok camera, or you can either choose the video from your gallery. So I'm going to choose it from my gallery. I'm going to click on upload over here. Once I click on upload, these are the video of my gallery. So I'm going to choose this video over here, and I'm going to click on next. You can choose whichever video you want, and I can click on next again. Now once I'm in this section, I have to click on effects over here where it says. I'm going to click on effect. Once I'm in my effect, as you guys can see, slide it to the right a bit, and you can see the time option at the last. You want to go to the time option, not any other option, but if you want to add other effects you can do, but the main thing is reverse. So click on time. Once you're in time, you can see this reverse icon over here, right? So this is for slow-mo, this is for repeat, this is for reverse. We want reverse, so we're going to click on reverse. Once I click on reverse, this is going to be my video. So my video is on reverse right now. So I can click on save. So my video is in reverse right now like this. Now I can click on next over here. If I want to upload it, basically after you reverse it, it's like the normal way how you upload a video in TikTok. I click on post. If I want to add something like a title to it, I can add it, but I don't wanna, so I'm just gonna click on post. It's gonna be posted on my TikTok. So that's basically how you guys can reverse a video on TikTok. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day. Oh yeah, and my video just got uploaded as well. So yeah, that's the proof on how you guys can upload a video in reverse. So yeah, have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.